Hi, I'm just going to show you a video on how to do this tie-dye effect using the new summer colours. So I'm going to be using Groovy Chick, which is this purple colour, and I've also got Jellies and also Oasis, which is this beautiful blues. Blues are always my favourite. So you can use any colours you like, but I think these are going to look gorgeous. And I'm going to use 3 striper brushes. So the reason I want to use 3 for is so I don't have to clean my brush in between. So I'm going to start off by just adding a good amount to my brush, and I'm just going to line up the colours all the way along. So if you were only using one brush, then you would need to clean it between each layers. And just make sure that you put the colours right next to each other. And there is a really good amount on your brush because we're going to have to drag the colours through. So I'm just going to continue to do this all the way up my nail. So I've done the lines all the way up my nails. Now you just need to be careful that you don't get any product on the skin. So as you can see, it doesn't matter how messy or how straight your lines are, you're still going to get the same effect. So don't worry about having to be really careful and do really straight lines. So next I'm going to pull down the colour. So first off, I'm going to use my long striper brush. I'm going to go from the centre of the nail down to the bottom. Now I haven't cured this gel yet. So from the middle, pull down the colour and make sure to wipe off your brush after you've done that. And now I'm going to leave a little gap and I'm going to pull down again and do the same on this side. Pull down, and then I'm going to start from the bottom and go up the nail in between those lines. So in the centre, and just stopping just before the cuticle area to make sure you don't pull the colour up onto your skin. Gaps you've got like this, just pull the product down with your brush and fill in any little gaps. Then once you're happy with your design, you can pop that in the lamp and fully cure it for 30 seconds. So I've also added some top coat to this design as well. So you can use any colours you like, and then you can do the lines thicker or thinner, it's up to you. And you can also only bring the lines up the nail to create a different effect, but I like them to go up and down the nail. So it's entirely up to yourself.